Kamusta? Ako si May. Ikaw?
Hello there! This video will provide you with the common words used in the Philippines to help you learn how to speak Tagalog or Filipino. Without further ado, let's get started!
Laro. La-ro. Laro. Meaning play or game. Laruin. La-ru-in. Laruin. Meaning to play with. Nakapaa. Na-ka-pa-a. Nakapaa. Meaning barefoot. Sardinas. Sardinas. Sardinas meaning sardines. Mabaho. Ma-ba-ho. Mabaho meaning stinky. This is the opposite of soft. Matigas. Ma-ti-gas. Matigas meaning hard. Mais. Mais. Mais meaning corn. Pato. Pa-to. Pato meaning duck. Tatsulok. Tat-su-lok. Tatsulok meaning triangle. Sanga. Sa-nga. Sanga meaning branch. Magnanakaw. Mag-na-na-kaw. Magnanakaw meaning thief. Malakas. Ma-la-kas. Malakas meaning strong or loud. Tono. To-no. Tono meaning tone. Bababa. Ba-ba-ba. Bababa meaning going down. Bilog. Bilog. Bilog meaning circle. Palit. Pa-lit. Palit meaning change. Bakit. Ba-kit. Bakit meaning why. Kaldero. Kaldero. Kaldero meaning pot. Malamig. Ma-la-mig. Malamig meaning cold. Maligamgam. Ma-li-gam-gam. Maligamgam meaning warm. Mainit. Ma-i-nit. Mainit meaning hot. Kahit. Kahit. Kahit meaning even though. Baka. Ba-ka. Baka meaning cow. Baka. Ba-ka. Baka meaning maybe. Hinliliit. Hin-li-li-it. Hinliliit meaning pinky finger. Thank you for learning with me. I hope to see you soon. Paalam!